Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into Kay Jewelers' credit card account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Start by opening up your web browser. And in the search box, type in Kay Credit Card Login and press Enter. From the search results displayed on the next page, pick this first link that says Manage Your Account Community. This will open up a new tab where you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. Simply go ahead and click on the Sign In button at the top. In order to end up in the login area, start by entering your username in the text box that appears on the right-hand side of the screen. Make sure to type it in correct and then head over to the password field and type in your password correct as well. Double-check your password by clicking on this little icon of the show link in order to review your password. If you'd like the system to remember your username, click on this Remember Me box, but if you're using a public device or a shared mobile device, make sure to leave this box unchecked before moving on. In case you don't remember your username or your password and don't know what to do next, click on this Forgot You Should Name/password link and follow the instructions to look for usernames or to reset your password to a new one. After entering your credentials correct, click on Sign In button in order to log into your Kay Jewelers credit card account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or the feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.